Okay, I'm looking for crystals, Pedro. These are all still dirty. And I am looking for one crystal that's in my video. Good luck going through all of that. Look. How am I going to find all that crystal from here?
Okay, recording now.
Doesn't matter, it's Pedro. So this is the little crystal that's quite dirty. Pedro, hang on. And then I just brush off the back of it to get rid of the mud. And the crystal inside here I can't reach with this brush, so I use an artist paintbrush. So I just go swirl like that. Hang on, Pedro. Come on, Pedro. No, you can't eat that, Pedro. It's got soap. No, 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 no. You can't have a bath. Look at this budgie, hey? Look at you. Now you want to have a bath. Let's go get you some clean water. So while it's still dirty, like that, okay, I'm gonna get this one here on top. Look, that's clean water now. So no, 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 no. Here, Pedro. No, don't eat the soap.
You idiot bird.
Don't eat the soap. Here, here. Come on, here. Jump here, Pedro. Look. Come here. Come here. Come here. This is what we have to contend with. Look, that bird. Okay, here, water, water. There you go, Pedro. Come here. There you go. Yep, that's it. You can drink that one. That's clean water. Oops. It's just bubbles. Okay, trying to get the water on this. Hey, silly bird. Come here, stupid bird. Oh, don't eat that. I know, he likes the bubbles, but you can't eat the bubbles, Pedro. You're recording Pedro as well, well?
Right.
Look, Mommy's cleaning crystals, Pedro. Don't eat that. Look here. Look. Come on. Come on. When we want you to have something, you don't want it. Eh? How typical. And then when, what do you call that? Something like that. Eh? There you go. Good boy.
Eating the soap.
I know. Is that why you got bubbles in your head, Pedro? Okay. We come close to the light. Pedro's eating crystals. Right? Is that yummy?
You good now, Pedro? You had enough of the sticky rice and fresh mango. So after eating his sticky rice and mango, now I'm gonna sit on mommy's shoes, aren't you, hey? Okay, under the table. There you go. So you got sticky rice here, Pedro. You good there, baby P? Okay. Okay, you're gonna sleep there now? Bye-bye. Kiss, kiss. Kiss, kiss.